This is a sloth. One that's very slow, and a great fan of Albert Einstein and his theory of relativity. However, not so much of time. Here we see a sloth merrily hanging off its branch. Now, let's imagine our sloth has a light clock. It measures the time it takes for the light travelling at speed c to bounce back and forth between two mirrors. Let's assume that the distance between each mirror equals to L, and one bounce is a tick. Like this, a tick equals to the distance between two mirrors over the speed of light. Or in other words, delta t equals L over c. Simultaneously, a fabulous unicorn happens to be whizzing past above our sloth at the speed of v. And, as if by coincidence, the unicorn too happens to own a light clock that is absolutely identical to the sloth's. Or so it seems. From the unicorn's perspective, its light clock is working perfectly alright. However, the sloth might think otherwise. For each count of the sloth's clock, the unicorn's clock also counts 1. However, the distance the light blob travels during that time is different, as our unicorn is moving at the speed v relative to our sloth. To the sloth, the horizontal distance that the light blob travels in one tick of time will equal to v times delta t, and the vertical distance will still equal to L. This forms a wonderful right-angled triangle, which, when grown by the Pythagoras theorem, can be used to find the distance d the unicorn's light blob travels in one tick of time. Now we can use our excellent equation rearranging skills and end up with an equation where delta t equals to t over the square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared, where the root of 1 minus v squared over c squared will always be less than 1, as not even unicorns can travel faster than the speed of light so far. As an example, if the unicorn was moving through space at the speed of 0.8 c and measured 6 years for the light blob to reach the other side of the light clock, then delta t equals to 6 over root of 1 minus 0.8 c squared over c squared. And that will equal to 10 years. Yeah, that's right. Basically, time warp.
Whee!